Hello students, I am Professor Neeta Fulchand Gaikwad. Welcome in our free education channel English Master. Dear students, today is the 7th day of our Learn English in 10 Days series. So this is the day 7. Let's learn English in 10 days with the interesting lesson. So do like, share, subscribe our channel and keep supporting. Thanks a lot for your love and support to our English Master channel. So students, let's learn. In this lecture, as you all knows that we started to learn parts of speech. On the first day, we learnt about nouns, types of nouns, pronoun, types of pronoun, verb, types of verbs, adjective, types of adjective, adverb, types of adverb. Yesterday I taught this lecture and uploaded it. So let's check the link below in the description box and go through all the lectures. So we'll get the idea about it. So today we are going to learn about preposition. Okay, preposition and the types of the preposition. And in the upcoming lectures we are going to learn about the conjunction and interjection. Okay, so today we are going to learn that what is preposition. As you all know, there are so many prepositions which we are using in the sentences, but let's learn what is the definition of the preposition. That is, a preposition is a word that connects one thing with another, showing how they are related. Okay, so preposition is a word. Basically, this is a word. This is a kind of a word that connects one thing with another and it shows how they are related with each other. Okay. And a preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun. Let's learn through the examples. Look at in this first example. There is a big balloon in the sky. Okay. So here these are the two sentences or the two clauses. That is, there is a big balloon, the sky. It is combined by this word. It is in. So here in is the preposition. There is a big balloon in the sky. In is the preposition in this sentence. Jen is jumping into the pool. Jen is jumping into the pool. As we learnt it that a preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun and it connects one thing with another. So Jen is jumping the pool. These two things connected with this word into. So into is the preposition. Jen is jumping into the pool. Into is the preposition in this sentence. The books fell off the shelf. Off is the preposition in this sentence. Let's learn deeply. That is, here are more sentences. Dad always keeps his wallet in the drawer. So, in is the preposition here. There is a long mirror on the wall. On is the preposition in this sentence. The school is near the park. Near is the preposition in this sentence. There is an old castle on the hill. On is the preposition in this sentence. The horse jumped over the hurdle. Over is the preposition. Why these are the prepositions? Because these prepositions are doing the work to connect two things. So the first clause and the second clause is connected by this word. So these are the prepositions in these sentences. Some prepositions are used to talk about time, students. Just like at. At is used for precise time. So examples, at 9 o'clock. So to describe the time or to tell the time to anybody. Okay, if anyone asks you about the time, so how are you replying to them? That is at 9 o'clock, at 2:30 p.m., at the moment, at the same time, at the present time, at sunrises, at sunset, at noon. So it is used to precise time basically. At, this is the preposition which we are using to precise time, like this. In is the preposition. In is used for months, year, decades and for a long time. Just like in March, when you born, in the month of March. Okay. And this is the in 2000, in which year we are. Okay, so you can say we are in 2020, right? So in the 80s, in this century. So in, this is the preposition over here. which is showing the months, year, decades, and for a long time. Okay. So let's learn about the next one, that is on. On is the preposition here. On is used to show something's position in relation to a surface. Okay, something's position in a relation to a surface. To describe the position of any some things to the it means what, if you have kept any book over the table or on the table, so for that you can say there is a book on the table. Where is the book? There is a book on the table. So here on is the preposition. We have holiday on Sunday. Okay, this is showing the relation between the holiday and Sunday. That is why on is the preposition over here. We have holiday on Sunday. The building was on fire. The building was on fire. On is the preposition over here. Let's learn next. To, to. This is the preposition. To is used when we have a specific destination in your mind. The destination can number of things alike. Like these students, a place. Okay. So for this you can say I'm going to the post office, or I'm going to the college, I'm going to the hospital. Okay. I'm going to the anywhere. Where are you going at that time? So for that you can say I am going to. So to is what is describing here? That is describing a place. Okay. And an event also. To is describing a place, also an event. An event like, are you going the fresh party? Okay. Are you going the fresh party? Are you going to a college? Are you going to school? Are you going to home? Are you going to movie? Okay, so I missed it, going to. Okay, so let's just write it down over here. Going to. Okay, guys, because to is the preposition. An event, to describe an event. Also to describe a person. I'm going to your mother to complain about you. I'm going to your mother to complain about you. I'm going to. So over here to is the preposition which is showing a person who the mother is here. I'm going to your mother to complain about you. Like it is describing a position also. The kitchen is to your left. To. Okay, it is describing the position. It is showing the position. So to is used when we have specific destination in our mind, and the destination can a number of things like place, event, person, position. What is next? Towards. Towards is basically used to show the direction rather than a destination. It means what? Let's learn through the example. He threw the ball towards the child. Okay. He threw the ball towards this child. Towards. This is the preposition in this sentence, that it is showing the direction rather than a destination. Let's learn next. Through. Through is basically used to show the movement across something. What? Through is basically used to show the movement across something. Like I cut through knife and the thief entered the house through the window. So basically through, this is the preposition in these two sentences, which is basically used to show the movement across something. Okay. Let's learn next. Into. This is also the preposition. Into shows the movement from outside to inside. The movement from outside to inside showed by this preposition into. Let's learn through the example. The children jumped into the river. Okay. Where? From outside to inside. From outside to inside the river they are jumping. The children jumped into the river. So into is the preposition shows the movement from outside to inside. Across. Across is used to show the movement from one end to other end. Like the little boy ran across the road. Across. Okay. So it is showing one end to other end. The movement from one end to other end, like the little boy ran across the road. Over. This is also a preposition. Over is used to show the position of something when it is above something else, like the horse jump over the hurdle. Over. Here, over is a preposition used to show the position of something when it is above something else. The horse jump over the hurdle, like this. Okay. Next, along. Along is used to show the movement across the line. Let's learn the example like we were walking along the river. We were walking along the river. So along is showing the movement across the line, that we were walking along the river. We were walking along the lake, like this. Okay. Next, off. This is the preposition. It is used to show the relation. Okay, it is used to show the relation, and it is used to show quality or a reason. So to show the relation, the example is Rahul is the monitor of my class. Rahul is the monitor of my class. So it is showing the relation that Rahul is the monitor of that particular class. So of we are using to show the relation, and also it is used to show quality or reason, like the juice of apple is tasty. The juice of apple is tasty, that is, it is the showing the quality of the apple. Okay. Next, from is the preposition in this over here. Okay, so from, it is used to tell about any place with point of time. Keep it in your mind that from, it is used to tell about any place and with point of time. Like to tell about any place, it means let's learn through the example. He comes back from Delhi. Okay, he comes back from Delhi. So here it is showing the place. Okay, it is telling about the place. He comes back from Delhi. And in the second sentence, she plays from morning till evening. It is pointing the time that she plays from morning till evening. So from is used to tell about any place and with point of time. Let's learn next, since. It is used since. This is the preposition. It is used in perfect tense with certain time. Let's learn through the example, that is, I have been learning in the school since 1992. Or you can say, I am living in Pune since 2001. Like this you can say, since it is used in perfect tense with certain time. To show the certain time period, you can use since as a preposition in the particular sentence. Okay. Let's learn next, for. Okay, so for is the preposition. It is used with perfect tense. We are using the for in the sentences which the sentence which is in the perfect tense form. Okay, so like he lived in Pune for 10 years. He lived in Pune for 10 years. Here it is showing the perfect tense. So students, I'm going to teach you the tenses in the different session. We are going to take the long session, and I'm going to explain you each and every single tense form, that is from the simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present perfect, present continuous, like all the forms we are going to learn in the separate session. So keep learning. Okay, so this is the next, for is the preposition. It is used with perfect tense and to show any goal also. So how it is used in the perfect tense, like live in Pune for 10 years, as we learnt it, and to show any goal, like I did it for your good. I did it for your good. Okay, so for we are using in the perfect tense and to show any goal. Next, by. Okay, by we are using, it is used to denote the latest time which something was or is to be done. Let's learn through the example. The work should be punished by next Monday. The work should be punished by next Monday. So over here it denotes the latest time which something was or is to be done. Also, the second thing which you need to know about this preposition use, it is used for shows the certain. Okay, like let's learn through the example. Ram caught me by the neck. Ram caught me by the neck. Also, you can say similarly by train, by car, by bus, by land. So these things are showing the certain. Okay, so you can use by. You can use by in the sentences as a preposition to denote the latest time which something was or is to be done, and for shows the certain also. Okay. Let's learn next with. This is the preposition. It is used to tell about the manner. We are using this preposition to tell about the manner in the sentences like be kind with the poor, write with pen. Okay. Let's learn next. After. After. It is used in past indefinite tense and to shows the order. Let's learn through the example. He came after 10 a.m. It is showing the past indefinite tense. And we ran after the thief. It is showing the order. We ran after the thief. Okay. So this is the preposition used as like this. And this is the next preposition, that is behind. A man stood behind the door. It is showing the situation or the thing or the place, we can say, that a man stood behind the door. Okay. Let's learn next during. It is used to express the idea. Let's learn through the examples like please remain seated during the performance. It is showing or it is expressed the idea. Please remain seated during the performance. He was taken to the hospital during the night. Also it is showing the time also. Okay. He was taken to the hospital during the night, and to express the idea it means please remain seated during the performance. So students, let's learn some more examples. Many shops close on Sunday. It is showing the particular time. Okay, many shops close on Sunday. It is showing the day. Okay, as I taught you that we are using this kind of pronoun to show the day, month, time. Okay, so many shops close on Sunday. So on is the preposition here. So let's learn in the second image that we watched the World Cup game until 2 a.m. So until is the preposition in this sentence. The trees lost their leaves during winter. During is the preposition. We always wash our hands before meals. Before is the preposition here. Let's learn some more examples to get it better understand. That is, we get up in the morning. In is the preposition. We go to bed at 9. At night. So at is the preposition here. It's always hot in summer. Okay, in is the preposition in the sentence. The movie starts at 2 in the afternoon. So in the sentence, these are the two prepositions, which is at and in. Autumn begins in September. So in is the preposition in this sentence. They were married in 1990. So in is the preposition in this sentence. Joy arrived after me. This is also the preposition. It has not rained at all for 2 weeks. For is the preposition. Breakfast is served at 7 o'clock. At is the preposition. Kevin and Joe have been in the same class since first grade. So since is the preposition in this sentence. So students, look at this. In, at, in, at, in, at, in, after, for, at, since. So as I taught you, there are so many types of the prepositions, but we have taken some important only prepositions which are basically useful to improve the communication skill, to improve your writing skill. Okay, if you want to learn English, so you have to know these prepositions and the use of these prepositions. Okay, so I hope this lecture will help you to improve your communication skill, listening skill, writing skill, and basically overall skills will help you to learn English in 10 days. So students, today is our 7 days challenge over. So tomorrow on the 8th day we will again over here to learn English in 10 days challenge series. Okay, so please let me know what are you thinking about this learn in 10 days English uh, challenge series. What are your opinions? Okay, if you have any doubts, so please ping me in the comment box, and I will reply you back on the comment box. So take care of yourself. Till then, take care of yourself and do follow all the rules and guidelines issued by the government. In this pandemic situation, we need to take care of ourselves, family and friends also. So let's meet in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much and bye bye.